All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Friday morning, we got another truck just getting finished up for sale. It's a 2011 Chevy Silverado. 9 inches of total lift, a brand new set of 2012 Hostiles on a set of 35 1350 20s. Those are RT factory 12 ply. Badass tire, badass wheel. Nice truck overall. Body's in very good shape. Undercarriage, rust-free, no issues underneath. Frame's clean as can be. Truck's finished off with leather interior on the inside. So just a quick walk around video to give you an idea how nice the truck is. As you can see down the body lines, body's in very, very good shape. A couple small marks here and there, nothing crazy. You got spiked lug nuts with the Hostiles. We put those on it as well. Like I said, 35. This is actually a 1350/20. So it's got a nice wide aggressive stance. Factory rear chrome bumpers, spring and bed liner. And then down the passenger side, there's a couple small marks right here. Actually, that looks like it'll come off. One little tiny mark right there. That will actually probably buff off a little bit. But anyway, if you look at the reflection of the paint, you can see down the body lines, it's not wavy. It's not, no body work's been done to it all over the place. Very nice, clean truck. And then you go to the undercarriage. You got just regular surface. If you look at the body, the actual body underneath, zero rust whatsoever. This was a Southern truck. I believe this one came out of Florida, if I'm not mistaken. One little small rock chip right there. But overall, super good condition for a 2011. The truck's got just over 100,000 miles. Like I said, 9 inches of total lift. Interior is immaculate. Leather seats, near perfect. Carpeted floors, excellent shape, no stains. No big stains on the headline or anywhere. Driver's section, little bit of wear on the driver's seat, not much. Same thing, passenger side. Leather interior is very good shape. Power driver's seat, power window locks, mirrors, cruise. So it's some good solid power options on the inside. And the truck drives nice as can be. There's a couple other small marks in the front bumper right there. So between those few spots of damage that I pointed out, the smaller rock chips and stuff, that's it, man. This truck is in very good shape inside and out. Again, 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab, LT model with leather. Wheels and tires are brand new. It's been through my mechanic shop. It's been looked over up and down on our lift. There'll be a list on the website of exactly what we've changed and what we've done in service. So it's got a full service ticket on it. Again, if you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Follow us on our YouTube channel. At the bottom of the video, click subscribe. That way you'll get updates on new trucks that we post. Also, follow us on our Instagram channel, DLUX, DLUX_motorsports. Again, this is Mark. We're located here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Your #1 lifted truck dealer. We do stuff the right way, service the right way. We are known for very nice trucks at very fair prices. So anyway, if you're interested, give us a call, 540-898-1300.